Skip breakfast, skip lunch, eat only in an 8-hour window, miracle. Millions swear it melts fat and rewires the aging body. But does the timing of meals really matter for your health? Your grandparents called it going hungry, now it has a hashtag. 10% of Americans have tried fasting to lose weight. Silicon Valley executives do it, Nobel laureates study it obsessively. So which is it, real science or clever marketing? The answer hides inside a single starving cell. When you eat may matter as much as what you eat. Let's separate the biology from the billion-dollar hype. First, let us look at what actually happens inside your body when you stop eating. After a meal, your body burns glucose from that food for fuel. 12 hours in, the glucose runs low and something shifts. Your liver starts breaking down stored fat into ketones. This metabolic switch flips around the 12-hour mark. Scientists call it intermittent metabolic switching. It is biology, not magic. Long before hashtags, doctors used fasting to treat epilepsy. In the 1920s, the ketogenic fasting diet reduced childhood seizures dramatically. So the idea is old, the modern hype is new. Then a quiet discovery inside a yeast laboratory changed how scientists saw fasting. In the 1990s, he watched starving cells eat themselves. The process is called autophagy, cell feeding that clears damaged cell parts. His work won the 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine. Fasting appeared to ramp up the cellular cleanup crew. The cell recycles its own components to survive. Suddenly, fasting wasn't just weight loss, it was renewal. But the headlines moved far faster than the human evidence did. Most autophagy studies used yeast, worms, and laboratory mice. A mouse day is not a human day, timing differs wildly. He spent decades studying fasting at Johns Hopkins. Mattson argued fasting sharpens the brain and protects neurons. His 2019 review appeared in the New England Journal of Medicine. Animal data looked stunning, human data looked promising, not proven. At the Salk Institute, he studied when mice ate. Mice eating in a limited window stayed lean on identical calories. This is time-restricted eating, tied to your body clock. Every cell in your body keeps its own clock. Eating late at night may fight your internal rhythm. Then researchers finally ran controlled trials on real human subjects. A 2020 trial gave dieters a strict 8-hour eating window. The results surprised nearly everyone watching the field. They lost roughly 1% of body weight, no more than ordinary calorie cutting achieved. Published in JAMA, the study found weight loss was modest. Worse, some lost muscle mass along with the fat. The cardiologist who ran that trial was a faster himself. I was disappointed, I really wanted it to work. The clock alone did not deliver the miracle. The fasting magic was never really about the fasting. Most benefits came simply from eating fewer total calories. Skipping meals just made it easier to eat less. So after all the research, is intermittent fasting a breakthrough or just hype? The honest answer, a useful tool, not a cure. For some, a shorter eating window curbs late-night snacking. For others, it triggers binges or dangerous blood sugar swings. Fasting carries real risks for people with diabetes and those with eating disorders. Always talk to a doctor before changing how you eat. The clock is a tool, the food still matters most. Next time you skip a meal, ask what actually changed.